Hello friends, my name is Swapnil and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will understand the Linux distribution in simplest way. So we will mainly focus on two important types, RPM based Linux and Debian based Linux. So this topic is very important for DevOps, system administration and for interview as well. Okay, so let me open my slides so that I can explain you in better way. Yeah, so we have learned like there are two types of distributions, RPM based versus Debian based Linux. Okay, so what is Linux? So Linux is an open source operating system created by Linus Torvald. So today Linux is widely used in server, cloud platform and DevOps environments. Okay, so most production systems run on Linux because it is stable, secure and reliable. Okay, what is, so next slide is what is Linux distribution? Linux distribution is complete operating system built on the Linux kernel. Okay, so it is built on the Linux kernel. It includes system tool, a package manager, and command line utilities. So example of Linux distribution are Ubuntu, CentOS, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So let's go to the next slide. Why so many Linux distributions? So you might be wondering why there are so many Linux distributions. The reason is that different users have different needs. Some distribution focus on enterprise stability, while other focus on ease of use or the latest feature. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. The types of Linux distributions. So Linux distributions are mainly classified based on package management system. So there are two major types: RPM based Linux and Debian based Linux. So let's understand both of them in details. So this is RPM based. Okay, so here RPM stand for Red Hat Package Manager. Okay, so RPM based on Linux usage, that .rpm packages to install the software. Okay, so in case of I'm talking about the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, so these distributions are mostly used in enterprise environment. So popular RPM based Linux distribution include Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, that is called CentOS, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. Okay, and let's go to the next slide. So this is a Debian based Linux distribution. Most important. So Debian based Linux uses .deb package for software installation. So previously RPM based were using .rpm. Okay. So here we use .deb. Okay. So package for the software installation. These distributions are very popular among beginners and in cloud environment. Debian based I'm talking about. So example of Debian based Linux distributions are Ubuntu, Debian and Kali Linux. So the most commonly used package manager in Debian based system is apt or apt-get. Okay, so let me show you the example. I have Ubuntu over here. Let me just open Ubuntu. I'll just show you in real time. Yeah, it's a bit slow. Okay, so this is Ubuntu. Okay, so if I want to update the packages, so sudo apt update, okay, -y. See, now it is updating my whole packages. Okay, so because it is Ubuntu, so we are using apt. Now let's compare. So RPM versus Debian comparison. Okay, if we compare both types, RPM based Linux is commonly used in enterprise production server, while Debian based Linux is widely used in cloud and DevOps environment. RPM based system use yum or DNF. Okay, it also can get the DNF as a package. Okay, and Debian based system uses apt for package management. apt, like I just show you the Ubuntu installation of packages. So this comparison is very common in interview question. So just keep it remember. Let's go to the next slide. Linux in DevOps. So in DevOps and cloud environment, Ubuntu is most widely used Linux distribution. So whatever we will, learn, whatever we will learn over here, like Docker, Kubernetes, Linux. So we will, use for this Ubuntu only because it is very popular among all the users. And Red Hat Enterprise Linux is commonly used in enterprise production system. Fedora is often used for development and testing purposes. So in development and testing purposes, we use Fedora. Okay. So this is why Linux knowledge is mandatory for anyone learning DevOps. Okay. So let's summarize each and everything whatever we are learning. So to summarize, Linux has many distributions designed for different use cases. RPM based and Debian based Linux are two most important categories. So understanding this distribution is essential for DevOps and system administration role. So in the next video, we will start with basic Linux commands. Thanks for watching my video. So if you have any doubt regarding anything, please do comment. I'll answer. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.